It's like every time he comes by, it's like, what's up, Holmes? Like, you excited, babe?
They've got like other ones that come out of the bottom.
Yeah, yeah.
What's going on, TD Nation? It's your boy Dizzy and Tanya. So we're out here at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park in Escondido, California, San Diego. I don't know if we mentioned, we bought zoo passes a little while back. So we went to the zoo off the vlog like maybe a couple months ago. Now we're here at the safari park trying to feel like we're on safari. Tanya's soaking up the shade and the wind going on right now. It's a bit warm today. It's like in the 80 degrees, so it's not too bad, but it's warm. And yeah, we're basically gonna be just chilling with the animals all day. Fun stuff.
Go with you if I want to be chill with an animal.
Say it again.
Okay.
Stay tuned for our day of safari and Tanya. Small world. We happened to run into a couple of Diego's cousins. You know my homie Goose, right? Come on, guys. We're gonna go see the elephants if you guys want to come with. Come on, let's do it. So one big difference between the San Diego Zoo and the San Diego Safari Park is that the Safari Park is meant to give you more of the feel of like you're in the wilderness, right? Which means Tanya's struggling with a lot of these hills, trying to pull her up the hill. We're basically getting our hike on right now, so.
I don't know.
Yeah. Hang on, babe. What is it called?
A bounty buck.
A bounty buck?
Like a bounty buck. No, I'm just kidding.
Like a bone to Gus. What up, homie?
Because they don't film me.
So I did not sign a waiver. Yep. I did not sign a waiver to be filmed.
Oh.
Oh, he gave me the ear wave.
Pissed.
Okay, we may have found my literal spirit animal. Look at the way he grubs. That's me, typically on stream, just eating, just chowing down. Look at him go.
Oh, look at them.
Oh, coming in, trying to get the scraps. There's Tanya. Out of control. Yo, y'all got hooked up with, yo, this is how y'all living? This is y'all's crib?
That's some official hair.
Yo,
right
look
there
at their,
on
yeah,
the
about to say, look at them tails. Damn.
Look at the tail feather. You know?
Y'all got your hair did, y'all got the real estate. Day's winding down. We've had a fun day walking around with animals. Probably making the last stop. We gotta go check out our lion friends and then call it a day, because I don't know, just walking around has worn us out. We need to get outdoors more. That's for sure. So we came to see the lions, right? But these guys, I guess their work day is over because they are knocked out. I don't know if you can see it. The mane is right here. Yeah, homeboy's sleeping over there. Alright, that's gonna do it. Leaving the safari park. We had a fun day. We're tired. I don't know if you can tell my voice. I'm very unenthusiastic right now because we walked a lot. Anyways, that's gonna do it. TD Nation out. Do the outro. Can you do it?
No, but
I will see you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. And peace.